Emerge App Pricing Explained: what you get for your money. Emerge is an investing app designed to help users build diversified portfolios with ease. Many people assume these apps carry high fees, but Emerge keeps pricing simple and transparent. The app is free to download, and accounts start at $99 per month for basic investing features. Premium subscriptions cost $99 per month and unlock advanced tools, including detailed analytics, tax optimization, and personalized investment insights. There are no trading commissions for ITS and fractional shares, which is a major plus for small or frequent investors. Most people get this wrong by assuming Emerge is only for beginners. The surprising truth is that the premium version provides sophisticated portfolio analysis, showing risk exposure, sector allocation, and historical performance. For example, if your tech allocation exceeds 50%, the app will alert you and recommend rebalancing strategies. Emerge also offers auto-invest features, alt tracking, and educational content to help users make smarter investment decisions. These features create a bridge between learning and real-world investing, making it suitable for both newcomers and seasoned investors. In conclusion, Emerge offers a clear, low-cost way to manage investments. With both free and premium options, users can start small and upgrade for more in-depth tools, making it an adaptable and accessible platform for all levels of investors.